Hi all, welcome to my channel. My name is Belinda and today I'm going to be doing a speed colouring and a flip through from this beautiful book by Tracey. Let's pop in and have a look. So guys, I've done a speed colouring and also a flip through of Michelle's stunning book, so I can't wait to show you this one. You may have actually seen it in the colour along event that we had not last month, the month before. We did a image by Tracey, and I think I did a flip through of this book in one of the videos that we did, but I wanted to do it as a separate one-off thing as well, so that everyone can have a look without having to watch a full video. So I have done this speed colouring. I printed the image on Neenah Classic Crest Solar White paper. The version I have of the book is a PDF version. I will pop all of the links to Michelle's Etsy shop and everything else in the description below, so make sure you pop down and have a look at that as well. I'm using Pablo's to colour that, and also I've got a couple of Postal pens, one light blue and one white, to finish off and do the final details there. I had a lot of fun with this one and I really enjoyed doing this, and I hope that you enjoy the images that are actually in this book. Some of them are absolutely gorgeous. Well, actually all of them are. Some of them I really like though, and this happened to be one of them. I did realise that I haven't actually done a lot of Tracey's images, and I really wanted to give her the credit that she deserves because they're absolutely beautiful images. So guys, make sure you hang around for the flip through at the end of this speed colouring. I think you'll really enjoy those images. So if you would like to see a full video of this colouring being done, then you can check that out on Patreon. I've done a full real-time video with a commentary, and I've also done a colour conversion chart from Pablo's to other brands of pencils as well. So if that's something that you'd like to see, go check out my Patreon page. I'll pop it in the link below. If you really like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you click on the little bell, you'll get notifications when I upload new videos. You can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, and also I have a Facebook group too, so we do those beautiful colour alongs there, and some weekly spotlights and things like that. So great fun, come and check it out. So that's it from me guys. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Sit back and enjoy the music and the flip through. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.